Welcome to this video on post-harvest processing, storage, and maintenance for agri-fishery arts. Today, we will learn how to properly handle harvested fish, from cleaning and sorting to storage, as well as the importance of tool maintenance. Let's start with a quick drill to identify these essential post-harvest tools. Can you name the basket, the knife, the cooler, and the washing basin? Identifying these tools correctly is the first step in mastering post-harvest activities. Now let's review what we know about fish harvesting. Consider the difference between selective and total harvesting, and why timing your harvest, either early in the morning or late in the afternoon, is so critical for quality. Here are the answers. Selective harvesting focuses on catching only market-sized fish, while total harvesting involves draining the pond. Harvesting during cooler times of the day helps maintain fish quality by reducing stress and heat exposure. To summarize, timing your harvest is essential to prevent fish stress and rapid heat-related spoilage, ensuring the best possible product for the market. Think about this. Which vendor would you buy from? Vendor A, who handles fish on ice, or vendor B, who does not? Proper handling is the difference between safe, fresh fish, and a potential health risk. Let's define some key terms. Post-harvest refers to activities immediately after catching. Sorting involves categorization by size. Evisceration is the careful removal of entrails to delay decay. Sanitization ensures tools are clean and germ-free. Follow the story of Mancardo. He harvested 50 kilograms of tilapia, immediately rinsed them, and used a 1-to-1 ice-to-fish ratio to maintain freshness. He also ensured all tools were sanitized and organic waste was disposed of properly. Based on Mancardo's actions, can you answer these questions? What was his first step? How did he classify his fish? What was his ice-to-fish ratio? And how did he maintain his tools and handle environmental waste? Let's dive deeper into the science and values. Why is a low temperature between 0 and 4 degrees Celsius critical? Why must waste be kept out of the bay? And why should we dry our tools completely? Low temperatures are critical because they slow down bacterial growth and enzyme activity, which are the primary causes of fish decay. Regarding environmental values, throwing waste into the bay causes water pollution, creates foul odors, and leads to dangerous microbial contamination. Finally, cutting tools must be dried completely after cleaning to prevent rust formation and any potential chemical contamination during future use. To summarize, the 5 core post-harvest steps are: clean, sort, store with a 1-to-1 ice ratio, perform tool maintenance with sanitization, and demonstrate environmental responsibility by disposing of waste properly. For our final activity, work with your group to design a workspace, broadcast an informative jingle, or demonstrate a physical simulation. Reflect on how your collaboration helps protect our food and environment. Now let's test your knowledge with a formative assessment. We will go through 5 questions to check your understanding of the concepts we've covered today regarding fish handling and maintenance. First, identify the correct tool used for sorting fish into uniform sizes. Second, recall the primary reason why we chill harvested fish with crushed ice. The correct answer for the first question is a sorting tray. For the second, the main reason for using crushed ice is to slow down bacterial spoilage and preserve freshness. Moving on to our second set of questions, if you have 10 kilograms of fish, how much ice do you need using a 1-to-1 ratio? And why is it unacceptable to wash tools in public rivers? For 10 kilograms of fish, you need 10 kilograms of ice. Washing tools in public rivers is unacceptable because it causes water pollution and spreads contamination to aquatic life. Finally, for our last question, how would you formulate a safe maintenance plan for your tools after a harvesting activity? The best plan is to wash tools with detergent, sanitize them using a chlorine solution, and ensure they are air-dried and stored in a dry place. Congratulations on completing this assessment. Copy your assignment in your notebook and answer the questions. Remember that applying these steps consistently is key to ensuring food quality and maintaining safe environmental practices in your community.